some of the most popular events: gymnastics, swimming, and tennis, and sports fans fuming.
We couldn't get anything for any of the events we originally went in for.
Officials on the defense said the tickets belong to members of the Olympic family, sports federations, athletes, and sponsors. Now, unused tickets will go to members of the military and students, or be sold.
I don't want to see
That's a good plan.
And that's why we will make sure where we possibly can that we get people into those seats.
You're so cute.
For events where tickets were
Yeah. Do you like to be called cute?
cycling, stormy weather
Is cute a funny word?
huge crowds, 6 deep, from lining the
What?
streets.
What, Mr. Hicks?
As the Brits say, weather for wellies, but not bikinis, unless you play women's beach volleyball. Skeet shooter Kim Rhodey embraced the element and became the first American to win an individual medal at 5 straight Olympics.
You still have the emotions that hit you when you're standing on the podium, watching the American flag go to the top of the pole.
And royalty made an appearance today. King James and the Dream Team debuted, with First Lady Michelle Obama in the audience. Prince William joined David Beckham to cheer for Great Britain's soccer team. A proud grandfather and mother, the Duke of Edinburgh and Princess Anne, came out to watch Zara Phillips ride. And the man who would be queen, well, the stunt double who played the queen in the opening ceremony, says it was the part of a lifetime, and he only got one take.
And what's the size of the spot you had to hit, though?
Okay, the actual landing area that we had was very small.
And have you ever jumped with a handbag and a skirt?
No, but it might happen again, who knows?
He wouldn't have been able to make that jump in today's windy weather, and showers are forecast to soak Britain, Brian, for the rest of the week.
Doesn't look remotely like the Queen, even with pearl. Chris Jansen, thank you for your reporting today. That's right. And it all follows our broadcast tonight. One more reminder, all the coverage, including women's gymnastics and swimming and diving events, beginning at 7 Central Time here on NBC.
No, you have to
reset. Along the way for us tonight, what happens when you drop 5,000 tons of sand squarely in the Queen's front yard and then add athletes wearing very little clothing?